Hi, dear friends. This is Cassie from Dongguan Package.
This is Annie from Dongguan Package.
Today we'll show you some foldable magnet balls. See this one, with the silver hot stamping the logo, and the finish is matte finish. And we also can choose glossy finish or soft touch finish. And the inside look like this. Also can print in something for the inside, and with two flaps for this part. The foldable magnet box can save shipping costs for you when shipping. It is flat when shipping.
The next I want to show this kind of floating box to you. Yes, please see here. It have a ribbon handle. Yes, it's like a handbag. The surface is outer paper with the spot UV logo. Yes, here and here is shining lighter. Yes, let's open it. The inside is use hologram paper. It looks very shiny and beautiful, right? Yes. If you are interested, please contact us.
See you next time. Bye bye.